In this video, I will show you how to connect JetPrint to WooCommerce. First, log into your JetPrint account. Then open a new tab and type in Order Desk. Once you're there, click on Integrations and log into your Order Desk account. Scroll down and on the left side of the screen, click on Manage Integrations. In the search bar, type Woo, then click Enable. Next, open another new tab and type in WooCommerce Login. Click on the first result, then either click Get Started or Log in if you already have an account. Now, copy your WooCommerce link and paste it into the Connect to WooCommerce field on Order Desk. Click Continue, then finally click Connect to WooCommerce. And that's how to connect JetPrint to WooCommerce.